Welcome back, my dear students. Welcome to your Ashu ma'am's class. Do like, share, and comment the videos if you like them. We are doing arithmetic progression. Now we are going to move on to 5.1. Now let's do question number 1, third part. Let us make the list of numbers by reading this application given to us. The cost of digging a well after each meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. It is just similar to टैक्स फेयर क्वेश्चन. जब हम कुएं के लिए खुदाई करेंगे फर्स्ट मीटर द कॉस्ट इज़ 150 रुपीज़ और जितना मीटर आगे आगे जाते जाएंगे 50 रुपीज़ उतना उस मीटर के ऐड होते जाएंगे. सो लेट अस राइट द लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स एज लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स. So for the first meter we have to pay rupees 150. After they said कि अगर हमें 1 मीटर खुदाई करनी है वी हैव टू पे ओनली 150 रुपीज़. बट अगर मुझे 2 मीटर गहरा खुदाई करना है तो 150 मीटर फॉर द फर्स्ट एंड देन 50 रुपीज़ मोर विल बी एडेड टू दिस. वी विल पे रुपीज़ 200. For 3 meters digging we have to pay again will add 50, that is rupees 250 will pay. For the next 4, if I want to dig 4 meter deep I have to pay how much? 250 plus this, that is rupees 300. So likewise we'll get the list of numbers. So now this is A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. Let us find out the common difference. So A1 is A2 minus A1. So let us check. A2 is 200 minus A1 is 150. So we'll get rupees 50. Let us find out the second difference. A3 minus A2. So A3 is 250 minus 200 is equal to again rupees 50. We need to find out minimum 3 differences, dear students. So A4 minus A3, that is 300 minus 250. So again the difference is 250. As you can see, in all the 3 cases the difference is same, that is rupees 50. So as it is common, so we can say therefore yes, this is an AP or arithmetic progression. Now dear students, fourth part, the amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest of 8% per annum. Means we have to make a list of numbers of amount of money in the account. So that means we need to find out the amount at the end of the year every time. So in the very beginning, the principal, the amount, the money present initially in the account is rupees 10,000. On this money will get rate of 8% per annum. This rate is given for 1 year. So for this, to get the list of numbers, dear students, in this case we need to find out the amount, right? Means we'll get the list of numbers from the various amounts. Amount of the first year, amount at the end of second year, amount at the end of third year, fourth year and so on, like this. Okay, so for this we have formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power T. So let us put the value. Principal is 10,000 into 1 plus rate is 8 upon 100 and we need to find out each year. For that we'll take 1. So let us calculate it. Quite lengthy calculations, but we can solve it. Either you can reduce it or straight away take the LCM and you will get 100 plus 8 is 108. So I'm directly taking the LCM like this. Okay, this. So by solving it, that's why I have not reduced it. मैंने इसलिए cutting नहीं की थी so that मेरी ये calculation easy हो जाए. So what is the first amount which I got? This is the first amount, that is rupees 10,800. पहले इनिशियली 10,000 थे, आफ्टर द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 8%, एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर 800 रुपीज़ इंक्रीज हो गए, 10,800 rupees. So this is the first list of numbers. Means now there is the amount of 10,800 in my account. Starting में मैंने deposit इतने किए, but after getting the rate of interest that much, now in my account I have this money. Now let me find out the second year amount. So for second year amount, what do we do? For the second year, now we will take this as the principal for the second case. Second case का principal हम अब हमारे account में इतने रुपए हैं, तो this is the principal now. Principal, dear students, principal is the money which is there in the beginning of the year, जो हमारे पास starting में होती है. So in the very beginning I have 10,000 in my account. After calculating, after having that much rate of interest, कितना हो गया मेरे पास, इतना अमाउंट हो गया. बट नाउ फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर अब मेरे अकाउंट में इतने, अब जो इंटरेस्ट लगेगा वो इसके ऊपर लगेगा. सो नाउ दिस विल बी द प्रिंसिपल फॉर सेकेंड ईयर. सो लेट अस टेक प्रिंसिपल, दैट इज 10,800 into 1 plus rate of interest is again 8/100. Again for 1 year I am calculating it. So again take the LCM. 100 into 1 is 100. 100 plus 8 is 108 divided by 100. So again to make my calculation easier, I have not reduced 8 by 100 in this form, and by multiplying it I'll get. So dear students, by calculating it I'll get new amount in my account will be this. Initially it was 10,000, then 10,800, now 11,664. So now I can say the first amount जो starting में रहा है वो है 10,000, right? After that 10,000, after that 10,800, then A3 which I got is 11,664. We can find out one more like this. This is the second one. Now let me find out one more, A3 here. So now new principal will be this. This will be the new principal. So 11, क्योंकि अब initially हमारे account में this money is there. So 1 plus 8/100 raised by t is 1. So again by taking the LCM I'll get 108/100 like this. So by calculating it I'll get. So I hope it is clear to you. Once again let me explain you. By using the amount formula we will find out this initial amount will take this one, that one, and all the three. You it is optional. If you do not want to take this, you can leave it. Take the difference between these two, that will be again different, and as the common difference is not same, so that's why this is not an AP. Now dear students, let's move to question number 2. I told you to try this question yourself. Write first 4 terms of AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given to us. Means A and D are given to us. We need to find out first 4 terms of the AP, means A1, A2, A3, A4. Now we know the formulas for all the terms. We will be easily find out the first 4 terms. So first term A1 which is equal to A, that is 10, which is equal to A. तो first term हमारी क्या आ गई 10. Now for A2 we have formula A plus 1D. A plus 1D. So what is A? Just put the value 10 plus what is D? 10. So it is 20. Similarly we need to find out first 4 terms. So A3. A plus, if 3 is there, 3 minus 1, 2D. So what is A? It is 10 plus 2 into what is D? 10. And remember board mass. Dear students, remember board mass. Before addition multiplication should be done. Add नहीं करना, पहले multiply करना है. So 10 plus 20, that is 30. So this is first term, second term, third term. We need to find out 4 terms. So A4. So what is the formula for 4 term? A plus 4 minus 1, 3D. So what is A? It is given 10 plus 3 into again 10. So again remember BODMAS, we will first multiply then add. So 10 plus 30, that is 40. So this is the fourth term. So in this way you can find out all the four terms. Therefore AP is, AP का first term आ गई 10, then 20, then 30, then 40. They asked us to solve to get only four terms, so that is the first part. So dear students, now let us find out for the second part. A is minus 2, D is 0. Whenever D is 0, that means all the terms of the AP will be same. How? Let us see. A1, which is A, that is minus 2. A2, what is the formula? A plus 1D, that is A minus 2 plus D is 0. So anything added to 0 will remain same. So again minus 2. So A3, A plus 3 minus 1, 2D. So A is minus 2 plus 2 multiplied by 0. So minus 2 plus 2, anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So again you will get minus 2. Similarly, we need to find out four terms. So A plus, if A4 is there, A plus 3D, that is minus 2 plus 3 into 0. So anything again multiplied by 0 will be 0, you will get minus 2. So whenever D is 0, all the four terms will be same. So what is AP? हम AP लिख देंगे -2, -2, -2, -2. That's it. So now dear students, this part A1 is 4 and D is -3. So A1 is A, that is 4. This is the first term. A plus D, A is 4 plus -3. So what do you get? 4 plus minus minus, यहाँ साइन का बहुत ध्यान रखेंगे. So A again 4 plus 2, put the bracket, otherwise क्या मिस्टेक कर देते हैं आप? 2 minus 3 ऐसे लिख देते हैं, तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं instead of doing multiplication. So 4 plus minus minus 6, so you will get minus 2. Next A3, so A, that is 4 plus 3D, that is 3 into -3. So 4 plus minus minus 3, 3s are 9, and this will be -5. So these are the four terms of this AP: 4, -1, -2, -5. So this is AP. Now dear students, here is fourth part. A is negative value, D is fraction 1/2, A1 is equal to A, that is -1. A2 is equal to A plus D, that is -1 plus 1/2. As you know that this can be solved only by fraction. Keep the negative sign in your mind and solve it. Here -1 plus 2D, 2 into 1/2, 2 will be cancelled out by 2, 1 will be left. -1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Same here, 3 ones are 3/2, 2 ones are 2, -2 plus 3. By taking LCM we will get this. So in this way you will get 4 values. So try the last part also. Now here is the last part. A is equal to -1.25, D is equal to -0.25. A1 is equal to A, that is the same value. A2 is A plus 1D, that is A. What is A? -1.25 plus, put the bracket, D is -0.25, right? So what do we get? -1.25 plus minus minus 0.25. So माइनस माइनस दोनों प्लस हो जाएंगे. प्लस करके विल गेट 1.50 and both are negative, will put negative sign, right? Or decimal numbers, I hope you remember how to add and subtract. Now A, that is 1.25 plus 2 into D, that is -0.25. So minus 1.25 plus minus minus 25 2s is 50 and 2 decimals, 2 digits after decimal this. So again minus minus plus, that means we have to add them. So 50 plus 25 is 75.1. Both are negative, so negative sign. Similarly, A4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25. So when you will solve it, plus minus minus, and this will be 0.75 by multiplying it. So when you will solve it, minus minus plus, so you will get, both are negative, will put negative sign, and this will become 2.00, that is 2, or we can write it as minus 2. So like this. So we'll get the terms as AP will be, the first term will be minus 1.25, second will be minus 1.50, third will be minus 1.75, and fourth will be minus 2. This is your AP. So I hope the question is clear to you. Now dear students, try the third question to be which we will discuss in the next class yourself. What we have to do in this AP is given to you. For the following AP, write the first term and common difference. So first term is 3, here minus 5, here 1 by 3, 0.6, easy. For common difference, you know, A1, A2, A3, A4. For common difference, what we can do, A2 minus A1 कर लें, या फिर A3 minus A2, because this is AP, so no need to find out many more differences. Only one difference is okay, because this is given that these are APs. No need to check whether they are APs. तो A और D निकालना आपको आता है, just try it yourself. Similarly, try the fourth one. Which of the following are APs? Now in this, it is not given that they are APs. We need to find out whether they are APs or not. और AP check करने के लिए we have what we have done in first question will be done in fourth. Differences solve करेंगे. If you will get common difference, that means this is an AP. Then after that you need to find out if they form AP. Then find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Means A1, A2, A3, A4 are given to you. We need to write 3 more, A5, A6, A7. For A5 formula is A plus 4D. For A6, A plus 5D. For A7, A plus 6D. So try both the questions. Okay. So that's all for now. We'll meet soon in the next class.